In 2025, tactical military gear has reached new heights with cutting-edge innovations designed for professionals and enthusiasts. These advanced gadgets combine durability, functionality, and smart technology to enhance performance in the field, ensure safety, and tackle extreme conditions. From wearable tech to versatile survival tools, this gear is built to adapt to modern challenges. In this video, we're showcasing 20 smart tactical military gear and gadgets for soldiers, adventurers, and anyone who values top-tier equipment. Without further ado, let's get started. When it comes to carrying a firearm with a weapon-mounted light, security and comfort are essential for a reliable everyday experience. Meet the Tulster ARC Holster, a premium IWB holster designed for light-bearing firearms, compatible with Streamlight and Surefire models. It features a signature click retention system along the weapon light for maximum security and ease of access. The Flex Mod system ensures a custom fit to your body, offering unparalleled concealment and comfort. With secure carry clips, adjustable ride height, raised sight channels, and wedge compatibility, it adapts to your carry preferences. Made from durable 0.9 3-inch Kydex with molded ribs for added strength, this holster provides lasting reliability. Carry with confidence using the ARC holster. In a world of evolving threats, protection and mobility must work seamlessly together. Introducing the Avon Protection CBRN suit, a fully integrated ensemble providing advanced chemical, biological, and antiviral defense with unmatched operational comfort. Ergonomically designed to minimize snagging and improve fit, it ensures flexibility, mobility, and reduced burden during critical missions. Constructed with intelligent materials, this suit includes supplemental padding and puncture resistance for enhanced durability and protection. Tailored for the military, special forces, first responders, and specialized CBRN teams, the Exoskin S1 has been independently tested to meet the highest standards. With Avon's innovative design, you can advance with confidence in even the most challenging environments. Protecting your knees during tough tasks shouldn't come at the cost of comfort or mobility. The Sellstrom KneePro knee pad delivers unparalleled support and durability, trusted by workers for outstanding performance. Designed with a unique hinge mechanism, it provides a full range of motion and stays secure, whether you're sitting, kneeling, or running. Weighing just 9 ounces each, the lightweight design ensures no binding or decreased circulation, while the durable outer shell and non-marking grip strip work effectively on all surfaces. Featuring 5/8-inch thick closed-cell foam, these knee pads resist sweat and odors, ensuring long-lasting use. With durable metal rivets, speed clips, and wide straps, the KneePro guarantees comfort and reliability for any job. Staying hydrated and organized in challenging environments requires more than just a basic water bottle. Introducing the Iron Infidel Battle Bottle, a half-gallon double-wall stainless steel jug designed for durability and convenience. Featuring a rugged, removable sleeve with MOLLE compatibility, it securely holds your phone, wallet, and keys, keeping essentials in one place. The paracord handle and utility clip add versatility for carrying or attaching to gear. Built with military-grade materials, this bottle is perfect for hiking, camping, hunting, or the gym. Engineered for military, law enforcement, and hard-working individuals, the Battle Bottle combines hydration and utility in one durable and practical design. Protecting and stabilizing your knees during daily activities or physical exertion is essential for maintaining joint health and recovery. The Dieter Brace Elite Knee Brace offers targeted knee stabilization and pain relief with upgraded side stabilizers, non-slip silicone strips, and a high-elastic fabric that prevents sliding during exercise or daily use. This compression sleeve supports issues like patella discomfort, meniscus problems, ligament sprains, arthritis, and more. Designed with lightweight, breathable fabric, it ensures all-day comfort without overheating or sweating. Providing 360-degree protection, this brace is machine washable for convenience, making it ideal for workouts, sports, or daily wear, offering maximum support and fast recovery for men and women. For optimal weapon handling and control, a reliable and adjustable sling is essential for any rifle or carbine user. Introducing the high-speed Gear Apex Slick Sling, a 2-point quick-adjust sling designed with low-profile mil-spec tubular webbing for durability and comfort during extended use. Its innovative double-tap slider allows quick adjustments with 2 levels of friction to suit user preferences, offering unmatched adaptability. Featuring steel hardware with a mil-spec coating, it is compatible with a wide range of mounting hardware, ensuring seamless integration with various weapons. Berry Amendment compliant and built for durability, this sling is the perfect combination of functionality and precision, making it an essential tool for tactical, sporting, or field operations. Staying hydrated and mixing supplements efficiently should never be a hassle, especially for active and on-the-go individuals. Introducing the GoPUCC shaker bottle, the world's first collapsible shaker, designed to solve common problems like cleaning difficulty, poor mixing, leaks, and durability issues. Featuring a rounded top and bottom with a drop-in fan blade agitator, it ensures seamless mixing. Microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, it accommodates hot and cold beverages, including coffee, protein shakes, and even wine. Compact enough to collapse to hockey puck size, it fits into overstuffed bags and standard cup holders. With a finger loop for easy attachment to bags, the GoPUCC is the ultimate hydration companion for military personnel, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts. Staying organized and prepared for ideas on the go requires a solution that combines elegance and functionality. Meet the Dango Products D007 Pen Wallet, a limited edition masterpiece featuring a jet black leather bifold with a built-in pen slot and a polished gold anodized aluminum chassis secured by mil-spec stainless steel bolts. Despite its sleek profile, it holds up to 16 cards, offers RFID blocking for security, and includes a built-in bottle opener. Made in the USA, the wallet is TSA compliant and compatible with the MT-02 multi-tool. The included CNC machined aerospace grade aluminum pen and durable Schmidt pressurized ink refill ensure seamless writing in any situation. This is the ultimate sophistication paired with practical utility. Precision and clarity are essential for hunters seeking the best tools to enhance their shooting experience. The AGM Adder thermal scope delivers cutting-edge thermal technology in a traditional design, providing a familiar feel with advanced capabilities. Available in 640 and 384 resolution options, it offers a 12 micrometers high-sensitivity sensor for exceptional image quality. Designed with hunters in mind, it includes an American Defense MFG 30 milliliters Recon QD mount for secure attachment, intuitive controls, and onboard audio and video recording with shot-activated recording. The Adder's remarkable 15+ hour internal battery runtime ensures reliable performance in the field. This versatile thermal scope seamlessly integrates advanced features with the traditional optics hunters rely on. Ensuring full protection and versatility for tactical situations requires advanced headgear accessories designed for durability and adaptability. Introducing the HHV ATE Ballistic Helmet Accessory, a robust upgrade to your existing tactical helmet. It features rifle-rated armor that defeats both 7.6, 2, and 5.5 6 rounds, providing excellent ballistic protection. The rotatable M-LOK Picatinny rails allow for the mounting of non-M-LOK accessories, enhancing the helmet's utility. It also includes a rail adapter kit, making it compatible with Peltor, 3M, and Howard Lite headsets. The included tactical face shield offers protection from blunt impact, ballistic, and fragmentation threats. Additionally, the snapback retention system replaces bulky dial knobs, offering the same level of adjustment with a streamlined design. In cold and demanding environments, it's essential to have tactical outerwear that provides warmth, protection, and mobility. Introducing the VIKTOS Bersherken LEO jacket, a cold weather tactical jacket designed to keep you warm and agile during outdoor operations. It features a waterproof, breathable 3-layer chassis with a thick Sherpa fleece lining for insulation. This jacket enhances mobility with gun vent zippers for sidearm access and wingman pockets for easy storage when wearing a plate carrier. Communication is maintained with internal routing and a chest-mounted mic loop. Designed by US veterans, it ensures comfort and durability. The revised high-collar design replaces a hood, offering additional warmth and protection while maintaining uniform compliance. Ideal for both tactical and outdoor activities, this jacket is built for extreme conditions. In demanding work environments, it is essential to have shoes that provide both protection and comfort. Meet the LAoutun steel toe shoes, designed for both men and women who require durable and comfortable work footwear. They feature anti-puncture Kevlar midsoles and steel toes to protect against sharp objects and impact. The shoe's wear-resistant outsole and thickened anti-slip soles provide excellent grip, especially on slippery surfaces like ice and snow. The soft memory insoles offer added comfort, reducing foot fatigue during long shifts. Lightweight and breathable, these shoes also feature a soft upper, ensuring both durability and comfort for all-day wear. Perfect for any hazardous work environment, these shoes ensure safety without compromising comfort. In outdoor adventures, having reliable, weather-resistant gear to protect your optics and essential items is crucial. The Vortex GlassPak Pro accessories are designed to keep your optics safe and accessible during any rugged activity. Their insulated and weatherproof exterior shields your glass from the elements while keeping your hands dry and warm. The tough, padded construction protects against scratches and dings, offering peace of mind during your pursuits. With modular attachment points, it's easy to secure additional pouches or accessories, ensuring fast access when you need it most. Available in 2 sizes for different optics, this versatile, durable case is ideal for both hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. For anyone in need of durable, versatile gear for outdoor activities, having functional tactical pants is essential. Meet the Helikon-Tex Outdoor Tactical Pants, designed for comfort and practicality, made with Versa Stretch light fabric for superior breathability. Featuring profiled knees and a profiled back leg with a unique divided knee design, they offer unmatched mobility. The pants come equipped with 2 classic front pockets, with hook and loop flaps for easy access to smartphones or AR/AK magazines, along with spacious zippered cargo pockets for additional storage. The narrow pockets inside the back are perfect for magazines or a baton, and 2 classic hip pockets have reinforced edges for carrying a knife or flashlight clip. Wide belt loops and stretchable nylon fabric with DWR coating ensure comfort and weather protection, making them ideal for warm days or light rain. For those seeking to protect and enhance their mobile experience in rugged environments, reliable accessories are a must. The Ulefone Armor X31 Pro accessories offer a range of high-quality add-ons designed for ultimate protection and convenience. The multifunctional protective case and armor case provide full protection, ensuring the phone is shockproof and secure during intense activities. The custom-made design fits tightly and offers easy access to buttons and ports. Additionally, the sports armband UN01 and multi-use phone holder armor mount allow for hands-free usage during bike or motorcycle rides, keeping your phone secure and accessible while ensuring maximum durability in challenging conditions. For anyone working with power tools or in hazardous environments, proper facial protection is crucial. Meet the NoCry Safety Face Shield, designed to provide superior face safety during grinding, cutting, or other tasks. Featuring an impact-resistant visor with an advanced anti-fog and anti-scratch coating, it ensures clear visibility and superior protection. The fully adjustable headgear allows users to easily attach the shield and adjust the strap height, visor angle, and overall fit for comfort and versatility. Built to last, this shield offers complete UV protection, making it ideal for extended use. Whether for professional work or DIY projects, it's the perfect combination of comfort, durability, and safety. For anyone requiring precise distance measurements over vast areas, a reliable rangefinder is essential. The Leupold rangefinder is designed for long-range accuracy, allowing users to measure distances up to 5,000 yards on reflective targets and trees. Featuring a powerful long-range mode, it helps in plotting and navigating across valleys or pinpointing targets from miles away. With 3 ways to activate this mode, users can easily adjust settings via the menu, button control, or through the app for convenience. Its GPS pinning system enhances your ability to track targets. The RX-5000 rangefinder is ideal for backcountry navigation, offering superior accuracy and confidence for those pursuing distant targets. For those who need an adaptable, practical piece of gear that suits all environments and tasks, this versatile accessory is a must-have. Introducing the North by North Merino wool kerchief, a 42-inch by 42-inch square made from superfine Australian merino wool, offering unmatched versatility with over 100 ways to use it. Ideal for headwear, neckwear, or as an apparel accessory, it's perfect for any season or climate, whether you're in town, on the road, or exploring the trail. It serves as a bag, carrier, or even a first aid tool, with added uses like cordage for tying, insulation against heat and cold, and protection from the sun, wind, insects, and fire. Merino wool's natural properties ensure superior performance over cotton or synthetics. For those looking for a belt that supports active lifestyles without restricting movement, this innovative design is essential. Meet the Gypsy and Clown Easy Life Belt, a groundbreaking accessory created to keep up with your day-to-day activities. This belt features a minimal, durable buckle and military-grade cotton webbing that ensures longevity. The special elastic part stretches gently with your body's movements, offering flexibility and comfort. Ideal for work, sports, travel, and outdoor activities, it comes in various colors and fits all body types, from extra small to 4 times extra large. After extensive testing, this belt has proven to be a versatile and essential addition to anyone's wardrobe. For anyone who needs reliable and secure storage for tactical gear in tough conditions, a durable magazine pouch is essential. The Savotta Double mag pouch is designed for serious military use, offering dependable protection and easy access to your gear. It can hold various magazines, including 2 XRK-30RD plastic magazines, 2 XAK-7430RD magazines, and 2 XAR-1530RD PMAGs with Ranger plates. This lidded pouch keeps mud, sand, and snow out, while the cold-resistant polyethylene reinforced tuck tab and hook and loop closure ensure secure fastening. The adjustable elastic cord allows for customized retention, and the PALS attachment system ensures compatibility with other gear. It's also versatile enough to carry items like radios and IFAK inserts.